Looking for a power chair that's ultralight, folds nearly flat, and is actually built for travel? Meet the Jazzy Carbon 27X. This is lightweight mobility with an X factor. The Jazzy Carbon 27X is the next evolution in portable power chairs. It combines an advanced carbon fiber frame with a smart X-frame folding design that collapses almost flat, making it perfect for travel, storage, and everyday convenience. And here's the headline: this chair weighs just 27.5 pounds without the battery. That means easier lifting, quicker folding, and way less hassle when you're on the go. It folds in seconds, stores easily, and fits great in trunks, closets, or tight travel spaces. Even though it's compact, the Carbon 27X doesn't feel like a compromise. You get smooth, reliable performance with the top speed of up to 3.7 miles per hour, a 270-pound weight capacity, and a comfortable 18 by 18-inch seat. The adjustable footrests, flip-up carbon fiber armrests, and included seat cushion help keep you comfortable wherever the day may take you. If you travel, this part matters. The 10 amp-hour lithium battery is airline compliant, so flying with your power chair is simple and stress-free. You also get a programmable quick disconnect joystick, collapsible push handles, and even a carbon fiber storage compartment with a built-in cup holder. With a 35.4-inch turning radius, 3 inches of ground clearance, and a range of up to 8 miles per charge, the Carbon 27X is right at home indoors, outdoors, and everywhere in between. Travel light, travel smart. The Jazzy Carbon 27X gives you the freedom to move with ease wherever life takes you. If you want more information or have questions, give us a call at 800-431-3183 or visit our website at automobilitystore.com. We're always happy to help.